Hi, I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the Pride Mobility LC250 lift chair, so stay tuned. When you get your LC250 lift chair delivered to you, it will most likely be on a pallet like this. The tools you'll need to unbox this is pretty much just a knife. What we're going to do first is we're going to cut these straps. So when you're cutting these straps, do not cut down into your product. You do not want to damage or slice into your lift chair. Cut upwards. If you do damage your chair during the unboxing process, that is not covered under warranty. Now, there's a piece of tape running down the center. Like I said, I do not want to cut into it. So what I'm going to do is cut the edges. And then lift up this box. Now I can cut down the middle. And the reason for that is your lift chair is right up top right here. So up top we have our owner's manual, and then a couple, looks like accessories. Looks like we have a quick start guide as well if you need a visual guide for this. Then we have the chair kind of sitting on its side here. And in the back, this is the back of your chair. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side. And now, I believe this box should just lift up. There we go, here's your lift chair. Now, if you might need two people to do this. I'm going to try to do it myself just to show you what it would look like, but a second person just to help support is a good idea. What I'm going to do is tilt it down towards me, and I think I can get it off the pallet. Luckily, these lift chairs are not very heavy. There we go. Now I'm going to take a moment and clean up all of the packing material, then we'll get to the assembly of the chair. I have all the packing material moved out of the way. Pretty much all we're left with is the owner's manual that has your charger, your remote in it, your back, and then your main base. Pretty straightforward setup. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to grab my remote from the owner's manual, and I'm going to plug it into the back of the chair. There's a single plug on this particular model, so you just plug it in. It only goes one way. Once that's plugged in, you just close the little plastic clamp, and now we're going to take a remote and we're going to set it right here on the front of the chair because we do want the wire to run in between the back and the cushion here. Now, you can grab a second person for this. I'm going to try to do it myself because the components of this chair are not very heavy. So we're going to take this, and then you'll see on the base there's some metal sticking up, and then some grooves under here that line up. I should show you in a video overlay or a picture overlay. And basically what we're going to do is slide this down there. I got both sides lined up. I'm just going to push down, and there should be an audible click once it catches. And now the way you test it, you just pull up and see if it comes out. That means it's secured. Now we're in the back of the chair. I'm going to plug in your charger, and this also doubles as a battery backup. If you had a different model of chair, there's sometimes unplugged wires under here, but this model should already be plugged in. As you can see right here, I did not have to plug that in. So in order to connect your charger, you will see a cable underneath. And then there is one open connector. This will plug into the other side of your charging port. And then you do have this cable as well that plugs into the matching side. So we're just going to plug that in. Then plug it straight into an outlet. And then go ahead and close this back down. I can see on the remote that it is lighting up. That means we have power to the chair. So we can tell that we have power to the chair because the remote is lighting up. There's only 2 buttons on the remote. You've got forward and back. That controls the one actuator that is in this unit. So this chair is actually now fully set up. So if you like this video, you have any questions, or you want to purchase any of these products, please give us a call, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.